This is Torren from China. I like cooking and I found that this is a pretty good way to practice my English. Today I'm gonna make a spaghetti sauce with some ground beef. Now let's see how I make it. Here we go.
This is a family recipe. She describes as a rich and meaty spaghetti sauce that's surprisingly easy to make and ready in just over an hour. Step 1. Start by chopping half an onion, 1 tomato, and half a green pepper. Step 2. Get cooking in a frying pan over medium heat. Now, add the tomato, the green pepper, and the onion. Then add some tomato sauce. Step 4. Stir everything together and cook it until the meat is brown and the vegetables are tender, about 10 minutes. Step 5. Season the sauce with some minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of dried basil. One more tip. Top the spaghetti sauce with some black pepper.